Where's your binky? Chunky. 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 Where's your bink? Show me. Hey. No, it's not over there. It's in your room. Remember? Where's your bink? Show me. No, it's over here. Over here, Liam. Liam. Come here. Come here, Liam. Where's your bink? Show me. Now where are we going? Yeah, Daddy's in there sleeping. Even if you push really hard, you can't open it, Chunky. Come on. No. Can I have your binky? Liam, can I have your binky? Liam. Liam. Can I have it? Can I have it? Here, give it to me. Are you going to put it away? Give it to Mama. No. You don't throw it. Give it to me. Nice. Nice. Give it to me nice. Liam. Give it to me. Come on. You gonna put it back? Put it back. Yay! Big boy. Leave it there. You don't need it. No. You stinker. Come on. Hey. Yeah, put it. Thank you. Can I have it? Thank you. Don't worry. You're a big boy. Big boys don't need binky.